Today we'll be installing a beautiful wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto Tesla style screen into the Subaru BRZ. This vehicle does have many variations like the Scion FRS in some regions and the Toyota 86. I can confirm that this Nifty City Tesla style screen will definitely work in the FRS, the BRZ and the 86. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a dash removal tool. We're going to head on over to this side. It can be different for the left-hand drive vehicles. This one's a right-hand drive, so our plastic trim will be on this side. Just go ahead and pop that, place it on the side, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing for the trim around the unit. So you can go ahead and grab that by hand, or you can use a dash removal tool. It's up to you. And then we're going to go ahead and remove the 4 bolts securing the unit to the chassis. We'll remove those 4 bolts and then we can go ahead and safely remove the unit. Easy as that. I've gone ahead and removed all 4 bolts and pushed out the unit. It is a bit messy back here, but you won't all have the same sort of mess. All you need to do is obviously disconnect all the connectors from your previous head unit or your stock radio. Once you've removed all that, you can go ahead and put aside the unit for now, and then you go ahead and find the factory connectors. Now in the box you will see other wires and connectors for the subwoofer, and you'll also see the factory harnesses. Now all these connectors will fit only in one position behind the head unit, so you only need to connect these 4, and then the rest will go to the Tesla style screen. And let's get through that now and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've connected up all the harnesses. Now next is the framing, so we need to get the Tesla unit up on here. Now not to worry, it won't be blocking the air vents. It will be on an angle, so you'll still be able to operate these and sort of face them the other way. They won't be compromised at all. Okay, so this is the Tesla unit here. We do need to put it up on the frames, so Nifty City sent this framing that you need to attach to the actual unit. So what we need to do is we need to press it into the Tesla unit. So we need to give it a framing. So if you work your way around, you'll be able to squeeze this framing onto the actual Tesla unit. Now the reason it's tough, it's because it's new plastic, and we want to make it as tight as possible. Working your way around and just giving it a bit of a stretch, just like that, just like that. There we go. And one more corner. Easy. Once it's on from all corners, you'll see that the lines and the holes have matched up, and then you need to get your original framing and just make sure that you have it on the right way around, just like that. See, there we go. Cool. And once you've done that, you would have been sent 2 little plastic pieces that actually holds the factory framing with the unit. So there we go, just like that. And then you want to go ahead and line up these holes. They're not lined up, you have the unit the other way around. There we go, just like that. Cool. Okay. And they sent you some screws. Please use them to tie down the unit to the plastic framing. Easy. We'll just grab one of these. There we go. So all this piece of plastic is doing is holding the factory framing down to the Tesla unit, so the Tesla unit doesn't fall off its frame. There we go, and this side as well. Should be good once you have all 4 screws down. And once you have all 4 screws down, should be good. There we go. And then one final screw. To hold down that last corner. And there we go. Easy as that. Now the Tesla unit is part of the factory trim. Easy. Now we've completed the framing of the Tesla unit and we're ready to hook it up. And like I was saying before, very easy, plug and play, 4 connectors it should be, and then you have the radio antenna and you have the power plug for the Tesla unit. This vehicle does have some aftermarket subs and reverse cameras. You can also hook them up to the Tesla unit. Nifty City did send some accessories with the unit. So you have SIM cards, microphones, wireless adapters, reverse camera in, subwoofer in as well. So as you can see here, subwoofer. You just attach them to the back of the Tesla unit and you can connect your accessories to those inputs, and you also have USB which you can connect to the Tesla and bring it out to wherever you like in the vehicle. You can attach the microphone and then connect the microphone to the Tesla unit harness. There we go. And then go ahead and connect these to the unit, and then there we are. It's booting up, as you can see, power and radio antenna, and then go ahead and clip just like you would with the factory. Just like that. As you can see there, ignore these wires. These are some aftermarket stuff that we need to head up, like the boost gauge and all that, so ignore these wires. As you can see at the back here, it's not touching the air vents. You can move them to the side as well, so now the air is coming out of here. Same thing for the other side. There we go, and there it is, the Tesla unit. Let's go ahead and put in that final piece. And there we go. You have yourself the Tesla unit. You still have access to the hazard lights as well. Plenty of space. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and open up, I believe it's either Z-Link or AutoKit. We'll open up AutoKit and then we'll go ahead and tap that on the phone. And then I'll just turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Tap that and then let's have a look. Turn that off. As you can see, it's wireless. How long it takes to boot. Cool, and then there we go. Wireless CarPlay audio. Let's play some music. Amazing. You can hide that top bar up there. Then we can go back to CarPlay. There we go. That's awesome. And the rest is all accessories, and however you want to go about it, it's completely up to you. I hope my video was helpful today, guys. You can get your kit at niftycity.shop. They have a wide range of products, Tesla units, OEM integration modules, you name it. This is the product for today on the Subaru BRZ, Toyota 86 and Scion FRS. This unit works for all of those. Awesome. Thanks, guys.